An object rotating about a fixed point possesses momentum in the form of angular momentum, and it is solved as the product of the moment of inertia and the angular speed. So we have L being the angular momentum, I being the moment of inertia, and omega is the angular speed. In this problem, a 47-kilogram mother standing next to her child on a merry-go-round is situated at a distance of 2.6 meters from the merry-go-round's center. The speed that the mother has is 4.2 meters per second when she ride and it is when the ride is in motion. We want to find the angular momentum around the center of the merry-go-round. So we want to find basically her angular momentum. So we're going to solve for L. First is that we note that we- the object, in this case the mother, can be treated as a point mass.